Fantastic how to use baking soda. Very couple of learn about. Relief for acid reflux. To get rid of acid reflux, you are able to drink a combination of half a glass water and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Or consider using a little milk having a pinch of baking soda. You may also make use of the following recipe: 100 ml, 3.4 ounces, water, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon citric acidity, or perhaps a little fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Proper hair care. For rapid hair regrowth, combine 9 teaspoons of water with 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Use the mixture from root to tip using an applicator bottle, and massage your scalp. And apply a combination of water and ACV, then massage your scalp again and rinse well. Hair will end up shiny and healthy. Bad breath and dental plaque remover. Combine 2 teaspoon baking soda with lime juice, and add half a glass of water. Rinse the mouth area with this particular solution should you smell an uncomfortable odor. You may also make use of a solution water and 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Combine for calluses and hands odor eliminator. Warm soaks with baking soda a few times per week could save you from getting rough skin to deal with and foot. And when you rub both hands and cutting board with baking soda, you are able to remove uncomfortable odors of garlic or fish. Sunburn remedy. Combine a glass of baking soda inside a cool water bath. This helps to assuage the sunburn. Salt and warm water applications can get rid of local pain.